ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ. On September 2024, CyberCell PS has received a complaint from a young person who is an engineering graduate, saying that he has been duped online and he has been cheated of sum of rupees 1,74,000, where he ended up paying, believing that the claim to be true. While he has registered himself on online website looking for job, one person by name Gaurav, he identified himself that he is from HR department of a prominent IT company, and he called the victim and he assured a job in Accenture company. Believing his words, the victim paid about 1,74,000 for registration and other formalities, and he ended up transferring to the bank account. He subsequently realized that he has been defrauded by this particular person, and he approached CyberCell PS, and CyberCell PS promptly registered FIR. During investigation, we found that the account and phone number belonged to one person by name Praveen, in whose account the amount has gone. Mr. Gaurav has used Praveen's provided SIM card and account number, and he has defrauded the victim. So, for the past few months, CyberCell PS has been tracking these two fraudsters. Luckily, 2 weeks back, our CyberCell PS team identified their locations. It was showing at Faridabad in Haryana. Immediately, our CyberCell PS formed a team and marched our police personnel to Haryana, Faridabad, and they have secured Mr. Praveen and Mr. Gaurav, both involved in this fraud. They are successfully secured. They have taken transit warrant from Haryana, and they have brought them to CyberCell PS. On interrogation, it has been understood that Mr. Gaurav has been involving in this cyber scams since the year 2019. Since 2019, he has been defrauding people through various cyber scams. Job offers has been his favorite modus operandi. After COVID, he set up his own call center and he has been operating it. The number of cyber crimes he has been committing over past few years is still under investigation. We will unearth the other frauds also he has committed. The investigation is ongoing. In this regard, I appeal to all people, do not believe any calls coming online or any emails or any online communication that is coming to you. If at all any such communication comes to you, please reach out to CyberCell. We will verify, we will help you verify whether such a organization, such a agency is authentic or not. We will verify and will let you know. Even otherwise, youth are requested to always verify physically with the agency office, and also find out if there is any other previous clients who have been placed by the agency in any prominent company. You talk to the previous clients, ascertain themselves, even reach out to CyberCell. We will happily verify the genuineness of the offer and will assist you. Please be aware of all such cyber crimes. First time only Pondicherry police came to catch him. So far no other police came to catch him.